Welcome, welcome to KBN College. Now we are entering into the main gate. The block which is showing is the main block. Opposite that. After that, we will go for Principal Sir room. Principal Sir chamber. Dr. V. Narayan Rao Garu, M.Com University. Sir is the principal, state-based teacher awardee. This is the chamber of Principal Sir.
This is Vice Principal Chamber, P.L. Rameshkar.
Now we are entering into the Vice Principal second chamber. Is Mr. Vijay Babu. Now we are entering into IQAC, Internal Quality Assurance Cell, headed by Dr. Krishnaveni Madam. Okay. Yeah, this is the first block, and front view of our college. This comes to the central library, civic plenary, and after that we are having the main block. In this we are having labs, classrooms and all. Right side we are having classrooms. In the upstairs we are having lecture staff rooms. Kakarpatti Bhavanaranya College, Tejasvinavadhitamastu. Learn by learn. And sir is the Kakarpatti Bhavanaranya Garu. He is the donor for this college. Okay. Now we are inside of this block. We are having classrooms and laboratories. First is chemistry lab. After that, physics and electronics lab. Then upstairs is the classroom. We are having seminar hall. After that, we are having botany lab and geology lab and PG chemistry lab also there. And then we are having gymnasium for physical education. Now this is the Kalaniketan open air theatre, which you are using for conducting of programs. Okay. Separate C language lab for Department of Physics. We are having separate papers for MPC students, 4 subjects. C language lab separately established for Department of Physics. Now we are entering into Department of Physics. There we are having 3 labs. This is the first lab. And then second lab. There is another lab for darkroom experiments. State-of-art laboratories in our college. Darkroom experiments will be conducted here for physics. Staff room for Department of Physics and Electronics. Incubation center. Separate practicals will be conducted for electronics and IoT students. There they are having separate kits to conduct these electronic experiments. All the classrooms are equipped with projector, smart boards. This is the program. This is the short throw projector with smart board. So all the faculty members, they are coming with the laptops and they will connect to the system. They will show the classes through this projector. Okay. Now we are entering into another department, Department of Chemistry. Here we are having 3 labs. This comes to the lab 1 for final year students. With the chamber. Staff room for the Department of Chemistry. This is the second lab for chemistry. So we are entering into the second lab for chemistry. Okay, now we are entering into the third lab, chemistry department. We are entering into Department of Zoology, staff room. Continuation, we are having department laboratory, zoology laboratory. In our college, we are having zoology museum with great collection, live kangaroo, peacock, dolphin. Department of PG Chemistry. This is the lab for PG Chemistry. We are having Botany Museum with great collection. This is Botany Lab. We are having total 500 systems. Now we are entering into the lab 1, computers labs. For all the students, we will give internet facility. We are having a lease in line. This is the lab 1. Yeah, computers, second lab. Highly configured systems, i7 processors we are using with internet connection. All the students can download the material. They will prepare for seminars using this internet and all. All the systems are upgraded with i7 processors. And 24/7 UPS is also there, uninterrupted power supply. Even in power failures also, we can run the lab. Third lab, and we are also using this for language lab. Students can record their voice, they can listen the pronunciation. Multimedia animation lab like language lab. Yeah, this is the fourth lab, which consists of smart board, interactive projector is there, short throw projector. As told, all highly configured systems with lease. Projector with a smart board, so we can provide demonstration in the lab itself. Yeah, these are the labs for post graduation. For computer science, we are having MCA, MBA. Post graduation computer labs. Yeah, discussion hall to conduct some programs, debates and all. And also has a mini seminar hall. Post-graduation library. For post-graduation classes, there is a separate library.
లైట్ లేనా సార్ అండి ఒక నిమిషం వేస్తాను ఉండండి లైట్
This is the placement and guidance cell. Headed by Srinivas Reddy garu with the placement officer. He is taking care of placements and guiding the students. Postgraduate staff room, cubicle staff room. Directors staff room will be stayed there. This is the computer lab for MCA students. Another lab for post graduation. our college, all the classrooms are equipped with LCD projectors and Wi-Fi. So all the faculty members, they are getting these faculty laptops, and they are delivering the classes through using PPTs. We installed solar panels and it's connected to grid. So net metering will be there. So the units which is generated will be sent to system and examination section. As we are having autonomous status, we are having Office of Control of Examinations and Concerned Office and Strong Room. So autonomous office. Right section. And then strong room. Classrooms in the second floor. Corridor. Basketball court with the floodlights. Even the students can play in the night. They will practice in the night itself. This is the basketball court.
The Department of Physical Education, Physical Director D. Hamchandra, multi-gymnasium, workstations. This is the treadmill. Workstations, equipments. So I've got that conditions. Okay. This is the handball court. It's safety nets, volleyball, kho-kho, ball badminton. At the same time, walking track.
Now we are entering into the central library. Central library is having more than 67,000 books. All are barcoded and for reading purpose. Daily newspapers are available here. These are the books which are available in the central library. Barcoding is done there. They are doing that barcode. So all the books are barcoded. So with single click, they are going to issue the book and they are going to record. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. In Central Library, we are having reference section with encyclopedias. Student can stay here and they can read the books here itself. So digital library lo manaki reference section loki enter aitunnam manam. Idani encyclopedias anni untayi. For competitive exams, books are also available here. One copy of all the books will be kept for reference. Old newspapers will be kept for 3 years. And back volumes also kept here. In Central Library, we are having digital library. To get the e-content, students can avail these systems. This is the digital library. The students, they are getting the data here. Gents toilet room. Hostel facility at our campus. Staff rooms for different subjects.
వ్యవసాయానికి ఎలా ఉంచుకోవాలి, ఎలా ఉపయోగించుకోవాలి అనే దాని మీద ఈ ప్రధానమంత్రి స్కీమ్స్ అనేవి ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయడం జరిగింది.
ఒక్క వీడియో తీసుకుంటారప్పా, ఒక్క సెకండ్. కూర్చోండి, మీరు కూర్చోండి బాగా. Vivekananda Seminar Hall is air conditioned and equipped with LCD projector and smart board and a podium with mic itself inside. Air conditioned seminar hall. Classrooms in the first floor, the right side wing. Here it is the left side, all the classrooms. Fire safety equipment and fire safety, all precautions are taken care in the campus. Fire equipment and lift facilities. Only able children, they are using this lift. College stationery shop. All the material available at subsidized rates. Photostat facilities also available in the campus. Printing work, everything is possible here. And phone is also available if the students want to make any phone calls. KVM College canteen with hygienic conditions.
Again, smile.
All the students. Dining room for staff. The entire college campus is under CC camera surveillance. All corridors are covered with CC, closed circuit cameras.